Oh yeah, I forgot to recap on that video when my starter went out. Let me tell you what was the problem. So the next day, I jacked the car up, and don't worry about that check engine light. That's the that's the catalytic converter. But anyway, I hoist the car up, and lo and behold, it's just a wire loose. And the wire is like a little slot. I stuck that back in and the car started right up. It is a 22-year-old starter at that. It still works, it's still the same part. So it's not hard to get to, it's just, it's a little kind of, the other bolt that's closer to the chassis is, oh man. But I've learned that I can't be underneath cars anymore because I'm claustrophobic now. But anyway, the car's running fine. It's months later. I forgot to make a third video. So there you go. I love Subarus. I don't know why they get a bad rap, but they're good cars.